Imagine wielding a wisdom so profound it transforms lives, relationships, and well-being. Welcome to the world of Kabbalah. This is not your traditional ancient mysticism. It's a vibrant, relevant wisdom that can bring about significant changes in your life. Whether you're seeking to enrich your relationships, boost your career, or cultivate inner peace, Kabbalah holds the keys. It's a transformative force, offering practical tools that apply to our modern world. Kabbalah isn't just ancient mysticism. It's a practical tool to elevate every aspect of your daily life. Kabbalah, a word that sparks curiosity and intrigue. But what exactly is it? Kabbalah, stemming from the Hebrew root signifying to receive, is a mystical tradition and spiritual discipline grounded in Judaism. It's a field of study that seeks to unravel the divine secrets of the cosmos and our existence. Central to Kabbalah is the belief that all aspects of our world, every experience, every relationship, are manifestations of divine energy. This energy, as per Kabbalah's teachings, is not elusive, but can be comprehended, harnessed, and employed for personal growth and transformation. How so, you might wonder? Well, that's where this channel, Kabbalah Secrets, can serve you. It's a reservoir of wisdom that can revamp your life. Whether you are seeking to enhance your relationships, advance in your career, or boost your well-being, Kabbalah Secrets is your guide. It provides you with practical tools for self-discovery, helps you navigate your relationships, supports you in your career pursuits, and aids in the nurturing of your well-being. It encourages you to look beyond the superficial, appreciate the interconnectedness of all things, and discover meaning and purpose in every moment. Kabbalah Secrets, therefore, is roadmap to a more conscious and fulfilling life. Subscribe and embark on your transformation journey today. Welcome to Kabbalah Secrets, a channel dedicated to exploring the wisdom of Kabbalah. Our mission here is to uncover and share the practical applications of this ancient wisdom. We'll be delving into ways Kabbalah can transform your relationships, elevate your career, and enhance your well-being. This is not just an exploration, it's a journey full of insights, tips, and inspiration to help you create the life you desire. Join the journey, embrace the wisdom, and start the transformation with Kabbalah Secrets. Subscribe and explore the mysteries.